What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2010 Softail Deluxe. Guys, this is one of my favorite Softails for shorter people. It's got a really nice low center of gravity for a lot of women out there. It's a great bike. I just love the vintage styling of the Deluxe. It's got these awesome looking white walls. This bike is amazing. Tires on this beast are in pretty good shape. Not bad actually. It's a little worn in the middle there. The outside looks great. Looks like this person literally just rode in a straight line. Not bad. Probably would pass in PA. Maybe. So tires are okay. We'll say okay. Rear fender. Good shape. Got these smoked out taillights. It's got these Vance & Hines. It's got the port for the trickle charger. All the chrome is in great shape. It's got this hypercharger, whatever you call that, intake. Tank is in good shape. I love that vintage Harley Davidson logo with the wings. It's got these big old floorboards. Front fender. Front tire's in good shape. Extremely good tread on this front tire. This side of the tank's in good shape. I love these big old headlights. A little smoky right here, if you can see that. Interesting. It's got these horrible looking skull mirrors. Some people might like it. I hate it. One thing I do respect though, this guy, I don't even think he put bars on it. I think he just put steel braided brake lines on it. Or steel braided cables, which is pretty awesome. Really good looking addition. Oh, what is that? Whoa! Come on. Whoa! What's green underglow? That's kind of cool. I guess if you're into that. This is all in pretty good shape. It does have a center stand. Interesting addition. Oh wait, no. What am I doing? I'm retarded. That is just the normal kickstand. I'm so stupid, there's no center stand. I don't know why I thought that was a center stand there for a hot second. Got the Willie G accent. We do have a slight rip up here in the sissy bar. This piece has got 46,000 miles on it. That's a lot of miles. This bike is super clean for that many miles. Listen to a fire up too. Bike runs amazing, guys. You know, a couple little things here and there. It's a great looking bike, guys. That rear tire, you know, not the greatest tread. But this bike's going to be priced super aggressively. It's a super nice bike, guys. There are not a ton of Deluxes out there, and so definitely if you're looking for something along this lines, let us know. This is definitely something you want to check the test drive video out on. Sean's probably going to explain to you how this thing sits and how it rides. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.